trip going to the place is quite challenging since it is located somewhere near the foot of the mountain. However, it was all worth it. The tour guide was informative with regard to what's available in their farm, from bees to few animals to equipment to plants. The scenery is so calm and relaxed that you might want to stay for a night to go camping, not available though. I would recommend future visitors to use insect repellent, face masks and wear shoes or any foot cover to avoid insect bites. After the tour, you will be provided delicious snacks and refreshments. You can also buy their products in their store. Hope they could expand more and perhaps have some available rooms for overnight stay. A memorable experience. Me and my partner wanted a break from the usual busy life and be with nature. We were guided by the super kind and accommodating Ms. Precious. We learned a lot about bees, edible flowers, the plants and history of the farm. The tour felt very homey. Definitely recommended to honey and nature lovers. They also have organic products for sale which are very affordable. It was very informative. We got to try the different edible fruits, flowers, and herbs as our guide Ms. Precious explained their benefits to us. She was really friendly and welcoming. Got to try honey straight from the hive too. Huge plus was that the tour included a small yummy snack. We went there to get authentic honey and we were not disappointed. This informative tour was the highlight of our trip. The guide was passionate and a wealth of information. The farm was awesome. Very grounding, peaceful. We learned a lot about edible plants, heath benefits and the importance of bees and how they were teaching the local farmers. Thank you.